Dear student, welcome to the second session of size reduction. Today we are going to discuss several equipment which are associated with the size reduction. We know various mechanism, we know the various objective, we know the application, drawback and uses of various kind of size reduction as an unit operation process for pharmaceutical industry. Now today we are going to talk about one of the equipment which is so called as a hammer mill. Let me start with the equipment hammer mill. The hammer mill is a kind of equipment which is work on the principle of the material which is being added are impact between the rapidly moving hammers on a rotor and the powder form of the material will be carried out by this mill. There are various uses and application of this hammer mill. Let me describe it. It is usually used to mill the dry material, wet filter press cake, ointment like formulation, slurry for calcium carbonate, etc. One can also use it for brittle material which can be fractured impactfully from the blunt hammer. Fibrous material can effectively size reduce by use of the same mill, and it is one of the best reduce the size which is required for making them a powder grade of desired size and shape. There are various modifications steels are available in the market to give its efficiency more than the ordinary one. Like stock tornado mill is also one of the variant which is been attached or which is been modified into the existing equipment. Fitzpatrick communicating machines which is so called as a fees mill, micropulverizer, Hamel crusher. These are the various variants. So the major objective to input this variant is to improve the efficiency of working of hammer mill during the process of size reduction. When we talk about the construction and working, the hammer mill is essentially a steel drum which containing a vertical or horizontal rotating shaft or drum like shape on which the hammers are mounted at the various projection. These hammers swing on the end or fixed to the central rotor. So the rotor will rotate and the hammers will be rotated accordingly on the axial movement. The rotor is rotated at the high speed inside the drum while the material is fed into the feed hopper. As I explained you earlier, the main construction of the mill is in that figure which is been mentioned, containing a radial shaft containing a different projection of these hammers. The material are being fed from this side. The various screen size is being set up at the bottom part of this round radial axial projection to screen out the various size and grade of the powder which is desired for our purpose, and the same materials are generally blow out with the help of the vacuum or any other means to collect the powder or to collect the material of the desired size. So it is nothing but the chamber within which the material are going to process. The main kind of impaction which is being done on this hammer mill is that material are thrown within the part of radial axial feed chamber. The material is put into the hopper which is connected with the drum, and the material is powdered into the desired size due to the fast rotation of the hammers and is collected under the screen. This is the projection or this figure which showing the construction and working feeds. The feed is being there. The hopper will control the feed movement from hopper to the inlet. The inlet is being constructed with the desired screwing option which will control the rate of the feeding material inside the mill. The shaft is rotating. The material is going to be crushed within the part of radial axial chamber, and these are mainly operated at 2500 rpm or 1000 or 2500 rpm for the reduction of the large size particle. High speed rotor use sometime 10,000 rpm. It's again depend upon the quality and efficiency of this mill. The hammers projection, the hammers size and shape is again depend upon what kind of particles you require, and it is being collected at the bottom part into the containers. These are the large hammer mill which is being used in the industrial operation for crushing the cake, crushing a large size of the crystal during the processing, or crushing a hard material which is being converted into coarse size or fine size particles. We can use it. Let me talk about the advantage of this hammer mill. It is rapid in action and it is capable of grinding many different type of material, whether it is of natural origin, like say for example plant material, stem, bark, root, etc., or it is of cake like material. For the raw pharmaceutical API, one can go for making it size reduction. It's easy to install and operate because there is no much skill is required, and the operation is continuous. One can continue the process till you require, or still the quantity or lot of the material is remaining. There are little chances of contamination of the product within the metal abrade from the mill, as no surface is moving against each other. So the chances for contamination of the materials and the substance which is being crushed within the help of the metal inside the wall of hammer mill chamber are very less. So one can also maintain the contamination free product for during the size reduction. The particle size of the material to be produced and to reduce can be easily controlled by changing the speed of this rotor, hammer types, shape and size of the screen. This is the way by which one can control the operation. What are the drawback of this mill? So there are few disadvantages or drawback. Very first is heat built up during the milling is more, therefore product degradation is possible. If the products are thermolabile in nature, they are sensitive with the heat, so there may be chances of degradation of the product due to the temperature or elevated temperature during the processing of the size reduction. Hammer mill cannot be employed to mill the sticky, fibrous and hard material, because sometimes it will cause the clog down of the operation, and this will be produce discontinue of the operation or choking of hammer along with the wall with the sticky material and hard material will cause the breakdown of the mill to further more functioning. The screen may get clogged because it again depend upon the particle and the nature and the type of material is being produced or being processed. Like if the materials are very sticky in nature, they can clog down the sieve aperture and may further produce dumping of the mass within the chambers, and that's why it is being widely used. When we talk about the application of the hammer mill in our pharmaceutical field, so it is widely used for making natural plant material to be get it crush it down, and something it can be used also for bulk manufacturing or cake formation or something where we are going for filtration and cake forming is there. And if cake is very important for us, then we can also making that cake into suitable size, and one can go for drying and one can collect this powder. So these are the usual working principle, construction, and advantage, drawback and uses of hammer mill in the pharmaceutical formulation and production.